how to automatically CC or BCC yourself in Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Outlook and then go to Home. So on the top, you'll see a move to manager and team email. Tap on the drop down beside those and you'll see create new. Go ahead and tap on it and then you can put any name that you want and then tap on add action. Uh, Now tap on the drop down and scroll down and you see reply option. Go ahead and tap on it and now tap on show options. Now you can see add CC or add BCC. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you'll need to put in your email address here and then finish. And that's it. You have added yourself in the CC. If you want to add yourself in BCC as well, then go to add BCC and again put in your email address. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.